my C tab 14. First things, let's secure the lock screen. Go to Settings, Security and Privacy. Choose a pattern lock, draw your custom gesture, and done. Lock and unlock smoothly. Now your privacy is protected. Swipe up to enter your app drawer. All your apps live here. Swipe down to go back home. Swipe down again from the top. You'll find two treasure zones. Left side, quick settings. Tap and hold for more options. Right side, notifications at a glance. Connecting to Wi-Fi is a breeze. Select your network. Enter the password. And once connected, you can even generate a shareable QR code. Let friends join without typing the password. Bluetooth can do it all. Pair headphones, smartwatches, TVs. Just one tap, and you're connected. Wireless freedom at its best. Chat and watch. Long press the app icon gives tap split screen. Ike your second app, then adjust the window size. By sliding, game changer. 3-finger magic trick. Hold to capture, full screen grab. Swipe down to capture, same result, no fuss. 2 gestures, one go loose whichever feels natural. Double tap power button, camera pops instantly. Swipe down to record video. Outspeed FOMO like a ninja. Hold the app tight. Shortcut menu in 1 sec. Drag to shuffle your home screen. Check out my C tab 14. Pop the tray with a pie. Slide your SIM and tap settings greater than mobile network. It's a super phone. Calls, basic mode. Flip the hotspot switch. Let your crew zoom on your turbo speed. 30-sec safety hack. Settings jab into safety and emergency. Loading medical deets and ice contacts. Smash button 5x gives alerts 911 and shares location with ice contacts. Your tablet's got your back.